Kevin Dooley, and this is part one of a two-part series on Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. The first thing that I wanted to mention is that Blackboard Collaborate procedures, the best way to do it is to use uh, Google Chrome browser. It has the least amount of issues of all the browsers. The next thing is once you go into your course, look at your course management panel on the left hand side and scroll down until you find course tools. Click on course tools and you'll get this second drop down which shows the different links that you can put together and create Collaborate, and there's basically three references. What you need to do is click on the link that I have the pointer on that says Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. Once you do, then it's going to allow you to create a session. So click on Create a Session and it'll show you this. When it does, what you need to do first of all at the top where the purple X is right next to it is put the name of whatever the session is going to be. For this one I just named it Test because it's an instructive one. In there also it allows you to give a start and ending date with start times and ending times, and you can even go with no end to the session if you want. The default says that you have 15 minutes before start time before participants can actually go into the room and so forth, and I like that personally because I can tell students how to navigate and answer questions that they have about the session before it ever gets started. But once you do that, go to the sessions settings next and click on that, and there's default settings there too. So there you have the default ones. Allow the participants to share their audio, their video, messages, whiteboards, etc. And you could allow recording all downloads and show profile pictures for moderators only if that's what you want to do, but I would leave those blank. Then click on Save. This is what you're going to see. You can join the room at the top where it's blue, or you can click on the name that you gave for your actual session. If you want to add another one, at the top right hand corner there you'll see a plus sign. When you click on the plus sign you can actually click also another one, so you can do multiple ones. But for these purposes you would click on Test and then you would be inside the room. In part two of the presentations is going to be on what you do once you get inside the room. But before we go to part two, what I want to do is talk about how you can add it to your left hand column link so that everybody can access it from there, including you, right away. So click on the little plus sign at the top left hand side and you'll get a menu that gives you different things, and one of them will be Add Tool Link. And the Add Tool Link, which is in the center part of this slide, shows what you'll see. The default says under Type, Access Web Assign. You want to click on that arrow and it'll drop down another menu, and over on the third picture you have here, you would pick Blackboard Collaborate Ultra for that. Click on it, and then where it says name, fill in what you want to name that link, which would be Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, and then submit it. Once you've submitted it, then you'll see it probably just below the help part of your left hand column management tab. So the only thing that you want to do here is make sure that you click on that little square to get rid of that diagonal line so that you know that students can access it, and then you can actually move it up anywhere you want in the menu. I like to put it in course communication because it just seems to be most appropriate there. And the last slide I have here is for anybody who sees this before Faculty Focus Day, and if you do go there you can click on this particular link from these slides and get in there for the class, and then we're going to be doing that training in that shell. Thank you.